Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Inderpreet Kaur and I hope all of you are doing good. So in today's video, I'll be discussing my weight loss journey, how I lost 15 kg of weight over 1 year, like 1 year and few months. I'll be sharing my journey, what all did I do and what type of diet I followed, what sort of exercises I did. So I'll be sharing everything. So before starting this video, I'll like to share like few things. Firstly, if you want to lose weight, you need to have a very strong mind. Secondly, it's not going to be easy. Thirdly, you have to be very consistent. You have to be very determined. There'll be days when you don't want to work out. There'll be days when you would like to cheat, and there would be days when you would not like to move. There'll be days when you'll not be even able to walk. You'll not be able to sit on a porch. There'll be days like that. But you don't have to stop. That's the only way. If you want to do anything, you want to lose weight, you want to gain weight, you want to do something in life, you have some goals that you need to fulfill, only thing you have to do is be consistent, be determined, be motivated. Success won't come on first day. Success won't come in first year. It's a everyday thing. It's a step-by-step process. So there are two things to lose weight. One is diet and other is exercise. And my diet was very simple. In the breakfast, I used to have dal, sabzi, roti and a little dahi with some salad and one roti. And then followed by, like, whenever I would feel hungry, I would have 10-15 almonds, 5-10 walnuts, lots of mixed seeds and figs and flax seeds, all of that. After that, if I feel hungry, I will have apple or some sort of fruit, and then my dinner would be like a big bowl, like a really big bowl of dal. At night, I used to have no roti. It was always dal, sabzi or some salad. So that's all I used to eat. Yeah, my diet was very strict. Even though it was ghar ka khana, but I was very strict. I used to not cheat, and every person has their different calorie requirements. So because of that, mine was different. So don't follow this. I'm just sharing my journey. I was very eager to lose weight. My brother pushed me. I was always a very lazy person. I was a couch potato. I would not move. I would just sit in the bed, eat, watch TV, all of that. I was one of the most demotivated. And then I decided, okay, so I have to make a change in my lifestyle. I need to change myself. I need to do something good for my body. I need to be healthy, because this won't go for long, because I was already overweight. I used to weigh 70 kgs back then, and today I weigh 55 kgs, so I've lost 15 kgs. So then I finally made my mind. My brother pushed me so hard. He's the person behind where I am today, because if he would have not been at that time pushing me that hard, I don't think I would be here. So he pushed me. We did lots of workouts, lots of exercise. So then I started working out, and there were days when I was like, I don't want to work out. There were days when I would not be able to walk. There would be days I was crying that this is so boring, I don't want to do. But he was the one. He said that just keep going for 1 month, and then you will just keep yourself strong for 1 month, that you have to do this. Just take it as a challenge, go for it, and then let's see what you say after 2-3 months. So in first month I lost almost 4 kgs, and then I lost quite a lot of inches as well. And then I was so determined, so motivated, that I decided to just go on with it. So I kept on working out. I did not go to any gym. You can work out at home. You can do simple sort of cardio, jumping jacks, mountain climbers, some sprinting and some kettlebell. If you have little weights like dumbbells and kettlebells at home, you're sorted. You don't need to go to the gym if you are a beginner. So I did all of that. We used to do a lot of kettlebell stuff. We used to do quite a lot of CrossFit. So that kept on going for 3 months, and in 3 months I lost almost 9 kgs, 8-9 kgs, and that was like a really good progress. So that pushed me so much. My goal was very different. Like, I just did not want to lose weight. I just I wanted to be strong, I wanted to look healthy. So if you want to just lose weight and do not build muscle, it's quite simple. But if you want to make muscle, you have to lift weights. And today I almost weigh 55 kgs. I am in a good shape, not perfect shape. I have a goal that will take a long time. So it's not a one day thing, it's not a 1 year thing. You need to have a clear mind that this is going to be very hard, this is not going to be easy. You need to work your ass off to achieve what you want to achieve. So I have my goals. So this is all that I did. I just ate simple food and simple exercises, and today I work out very hard. I work out almost 2-3 hours a day, 2 hours a day, and I lift lots of weight. I do lots of I can deadlift 110 kgs, that's my PR, and I can squat 100. So it did not come just first day. It's been like 1.5 years. And so if any of you want to lose weight, I would just suggest that make your mind strong, just go for it, don't think of anything else. You would be happy. So that's all I would like to say, and I hope you like this video. If you did like, please like it and then comment and share it, and also please subscribe to my channel. Also press the bell icon so that whenever my new video comes, you get the notification. And yeah, that's it, that's all I wanted to say. And thank you so much for watching this video, and I'll be back with a new video. Till then, bye bye.